Both XD50 and XD100 exceed the TCW3 requirements, but XD100 has superior lubricating qualities. If the customer is going to use XD100 exclusively, the EMM can be programmed on some models to use significantly less oil. To take advantage of the reduced oil consumption available with XD100 oil, use the diagnostic software. Click the Settings button. Oil selection is at the far right. The text above the buttons indicates the current selection. To change the selection, click the Active button. The software will display the new configuration. On inline models, be sure to install the tag reminding the customer to use XD100 exclusively. The tag is included in the operator's guide package shipped with the outboard. A larger tag is available for the oil fill on inline tanks and for remote oil tanks for V models. Stickers are also available for the boat deck near a remote fill. Using ordinary oils at the reduced rate will shorten the life of the outboard. If the outboard is operated in freezing weather, XD100 must be used. Reducing the oil consumption is not recommended for some applications, such as commercial boats, harsh conditions, severely underpowered boats, or racing or other high-performance applications. Refer to the pre-delivery and installation guide for more information. Certain HO models cannot be programmed to use less oil. XD100 is the recommended oil for these high-performance engines. While you should never use ordinary oil with the EMM in the XD100 setting, there is no problem with using XD100 oil with the EMM in the TCW3 setting. The engine will still use oil at the standard rate, but it will benefit from superior lubrication. The EMM automatically increases lubrication during the break-in period. The EMM doubles the amount of oil injected for the first 2 to 5 hours of operation above 2,000 RPM, depending on the model. Below 2,000 RPM, oil injection is normal. The customer does not need to follow any special precautions during the break-in period. The break-in mode can be monitored using the diagnostic software. If required, the break-in mode can be restarted for a new or rebuilt powerhead. Like many previous outboards, Etec models use recirculation systems to prevent oil from accumulating in the crankcase. This oil is used to provide additional lubrication to critical components. See the service manual for specific function, hose routing, and check valve orientation. If the oiling system has been serviced, or when rigging a new engine, the prime cycle must be used to fill the oil distribution system. This is found in the dynamic test functions of the diagnostic software. Supply water to the outboard. Start the engine. Choose Prime Oil System to start cycling the oil pump. Use the oil priming function for at least 90 seconds to make sure the system is completely primed. A pen light can help you see the oil flow. When the oil lines are filled, press any key to stop the oil prime mode. If the diagnostic software is unavailable, you can use the self-winterizing mode to prime the system. You must activate it 2 or more times until no air is left in the oil lines.